Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters vcode of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is functions and methods. So we have taken a look at this topic many a times on this channel. So what I'll do today, I'll introduce you to a new concept. I'll tell you what that is. So yeah, first of all, let's begin with an example of this functions. So I have created a function, let's say cube, and it gets a parameter n, and what this function does, it returns cube of n. So this is our function, and I'm creating a now in this main file. If we call this cube of function, so it goes like cube of 3, and if we run this code, you can see, okay, I have to do print cube of 3. And if I run this code, it is printing out 27, fine, it goes like this. Okay, so what I'll do today, I'll show you important thing in this Python, important concept, which is the use of if double underscore main is equal to double underscore name, this thing. Okay, so how does it goes and why is it useful? I'll tell you. So you have encountered this kind of statement. There it should be double equal to. So yeah, you all must have encountered at some point of time this kind of statement or this kind of line while searching for solutions or something. So what is it? Why is it useful if double underscore name is equal to double underscore main? So first of all, what I'll do, I'll just call this cube function once more. Let me check if it is running. Yeah, it is running correctly. Yeah, so you might have seen some statements like this. So why is it useful? Now look over here. I have defined some function cube of n, and I have created one more file in which I want to use this same function, and I don't want to repeat myself or copy paste my piece of code. So what I can do, I can just call this function in another file, and let's say I have something like this, and I don't want it to get printed while I call this function. So how does it happen? So for doing that, this is my first file, which is foo. Yeah, if we run this, it is printing out 27 as well as CSI. And what I wanna do, I just wanna call this function in another file. So what I can do is, in this another file, I have to add a line which is import, and the name of my previous file, it was foo. So import foo. Okay, and how to call this function, how to call this cube function through that file. So for doing that, we have to do something like this. We have to write the name of file, which is foo, followed by the name of function, which is cube, and then we have to give some parameter, let's say 7. And as you can see, it is printing out 343, and CSI, it is not printing out CSI. And if I remove this thing, what will happen? Let's see. You can see it is printing out 27, CSI, and 343. So our double underscore name equal to double underscore main. It was avoiding this thing. So yeah, let me undo this. So I hope it is clear to you guys why are we using this double underscore name is equal to double underscore main. I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can rewind the video, take another look at it. You can ask us in the comment section or in our WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, any vcode co member would be very happy to help you. And yeah, till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.